I'm an independent researcher. I am working on a new physics based on my studies. There are issues with the mass energy equivalence principle. According to special theory of relativity, mass and energy are two sides of the same coin. Mass can be converted into energy and vice versa. However, based on my studies, uh, uh, this mass and energy are entirely two different entities. So I am discussing a new physics. I recently published a book on mass defect and release of energy. You can find my book in the description box, in the description. And also you can watch my videos. I have published numerous videos on my theories. If you are interested, you can watch my videos. Thank you. No, I am researching on this mass energy, how mass defect releases energy, the mechanism, the actual mechanism behind nuclear energy, and I am preparing my research paper for peer review. So you can, if you have any questions related with my work or new physics, I will try to answer your question. Now we have GPT and Gemini AI, Claude AI, such AIs are there. So if you can ask such questions to artificial intelligence. According to my research, the speed of light is not a universal constant. Based on my research, every mass defect in the universe are transformed into a explosively transformed into a new form of matter. Since mass defect is a universally occurrent phenomenon, every mass defect in the universe are transformed into a super thin form of matter. So this mass defect is a universally occurrent phenomenon. So the entire universe is filled with this type of matter. So because of since it's a form of matter, it will be attracted by massive bodies such as stars, planets, black holes, neutron stars, etc. So when a beam of light passes through this region of space, it will get refracted and bent. So, if you consider a light travels from one edge of a galaxy to the opposite edge, so it will be traveling through millions of star systems. So this light speed will vary when it enters a denser region. So when a beam of light travels from one edge of a galaxy to the opposite edge, it will be traveling through different density regions. So this is applicable, this is true for if you consider a long expansion of the universe, many galaxies. So in fact, based on my studies, the speed of light is not a universal constant. It will change. The speed of light will change according to the local density of the space-filling substance. Also, not only that, light will change its path many times. When it interacts with the denser region, it will refract and bend. So, if a beam of light travels from one edge of a galaxy to the opposite edge, its path will change multiple times. Yeah, based on my studies, there are issues with the relativistic view of the universe. For example, Einstein developed theory of relativity based on mainly based on two things. One is the constancy of light speed and the null result of the Michelson-Morley experiment. But according to my studies, these both are space-filling matter indeed exist. Every mass defect in the universe explosively transformed into a super thin form of matter. So the space itself is filled with a form of matter, and the speed of light is not a universal constant. So it's completely contradicts with the theory of relativity. There is an interesting question. In fact, yes, that is a very interesting question actually. Uh, According to my research, the speed of light within a galaxy, if you consider a galaxy, for example, within a galaxy, light travels at its maximum speed at the far edge of the galaxy. Because in the center of the galaxy there is a black hole, the galactic center, or is the supermassive black hole. So near the black hole, the density of space-filling matter is very high. That can explain the precession of the geodesic effect of the S2 star. So if you go to the farther edge of the galaxy, there will be the density of space-filling matter will be less, comparatively less. So within a galaxy, the speed of light will be maximum at the far edge of the galaxy. At the same time, if you consider a group of galaxies, the space between the middle point of the intergalactic space, in that region, the density of space filling matter will be less. So if you consider a group of galaxies within that region of space, the speed of light will be the middle point between the galaxies. So light speed is not a universal constant. It has a different speed in different space according to the density of the space filling matter. Within the sun, solar system, or a star system, light will travel at the farthest side of the solar system, the edge of the solar system. There will be the speed of, or you can also think like that. If you two star systems are there, two stars are sitting here. So if you consider this region of space, the light speed will be maximum in the middle point of this two stars. So it's a very light speed, not at all a universal constant. It varies with the local density of the space filling matter. It's a very interesting thing. So we need a proper understanding the relativistic theories. There is since light is a important factor in the calculations. So once the speed of light is not a constant, it has a huge significance. It has a huge impact on our current understanding of the universe. Yeah, in fact, the idea that gravitational curvature of space-time is according to my research, there is no gravitational curvature of space-time. According to Einstein's general theory, Gravity is a consequence of the space. Gravity is a consequence of matter and energy, mass and energy. But that is the evidence for that idea is the bending of starlight and precession of the perihelion mercury and other experiments or other phenomena. But since since as a form of matter, this space-filling matter will be attracted by gravity, massive bodies. So there is a denser region surrounding massive bodies. The density of space-filling matter will be greater near the body, and it decreases with the distance. So when a beam of light passes through that region, light will get refracted and bent. That is the exact reason for the bending of starlight. Now, it is, if you come to the precession of the perihelion of Mercury's orbit, the same because of this denser region of space-filling matter. Mercury or when Mercury approaches the perihelion, because of the drag effect of this space-filling matter, since the density of that perihelion of Mercury is sufficiently high, it impacts because of its dragging effect. It will each time when it approaches the perihelion, its trajectory will change. So that can explain the precession of the perihelion of Mercury's orbit. So these two and another, I can explain that gravitational redshift, blue shift, and many other phenomena. So there is no such a thing as gravitational curvature of space-time. Curved space-time is not true according to my research. If you are interested, you can. I have given the link to my book and videos. You can watch my videos and see the link to my book in the description box. I think about the possibility that perhaps there are waves or disturbances in space which can travel much faster than the speed of light. So probably other civilizations in the universe, advanced civilizations in the universe, they are using such kind of waves. I have explained about this possibility in my book. You can I believe that Newton's theory is correct. Gravity is an attractive force between two massive bodies. We don't know the exact mechanism how it actually it attracts, but it I believe that gravity is an attractive force as suggested by Sir Isaac Newton. The attraction between two bodies, but we have to investigate, we have to explore, we have to research about how this happens. But of course, it is a gravity is an attractive force between two bodies. Gravity, according to my understanding, gravity is an attractive force, the attraction between two bodies. So we don't know about the exact mechanism how it happens, but it is an attractive force. like many other people, I also believe in UFO. UFO is, according to my understanding, UFO is real. So probably they are the vehicles of the crafts of advanced civilizations far from Earth. So they are using such anti-gravity or such kind of technology. We don't know what is about how it works or how they generate the propulsion. There is UFO. The working of UFO is very interesting. They are no. The UFO does not make any heat signature, any sound, any visible, evident propulsion. We are not aware of how they work. So there are more questions than answers. So I am discussing. I am researching about. And personally, personal experience I don't have. I am from India. In this region of in this region, UFO phenomena very rare. But in USA, European countries, I don't know the reason why is that here UFO incidents are very rare. Okay, yeah, okay. So as you know, in India, okay, okay. So, but I heard about some news from Delhi airport, some UFO incidents. I heard about that. But mostly here, this phenomenon is not very common. But the USA, Canada, Europe, Russia, I don't know reason why, but I definitely I believe that these are real crafts of extraterrestrial. They are visiting our planet. So even ancient paintings, cave paintings, and ancient texts, reference to there are references to such a phenomenon. So UFO phenomenon is not a new thing. I don't have any specific answer for that. Probably they are not considering us significant. When we see an ant, we don't show any technology to an ant or any other creature. We don't show our technological advancement to any elephant or dolphin. So probably they are not considering as a significant. So I don't know the reason why. I just simply said. Yeah, probably yes. Yeah. Yeah, that is correct. Yes, yeah, that is correct.